All right, guys, this is a new project we're working on. It's gonna be the first video in the series. Basically, it's an old farmhouse up here in the Catskills on 300 plus acres. Yeah, here it is. Pretty big house. It's just over 3,300 square feet on records, but it's old. This property's from the early 1800s, 1830s is the earliest that's listed. Pretty cool fact, it's been in the same family since 1830. So it's kind of like a time capsule in here. They pretty much left so much of the history stuff. It's been pretty interesting, honestly, to go through it all, but a lot of work as well. Some of this stuff we just brought in here from another project, but majority of all the stuff in here was just left here. And I mean, it's a time capsule. Like, these are photos, kind of collecting them, but these portraits goes back to early 1800s. It's pretty interesting stuff, and it's like all family portraits and stuff like that. It's pretty wild. And yeah, it's kind of like in three different, like the house was kind of extended twice. But yeah, it's full china sets. It was it's quite interesting. It's kind of, as you go up, the older the stuff gets. You know, I've been finding stuff in the attic from the 1800s and stuff like that. It's all really centered around the Catskills. A lot of history. Family was very invested up here. They had this farm, like I said, for multi-generations, and you could tell. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of work. Excited, but it's still winter right now here. We're kind of waiting for the snow to melt to start working, but it just goes on and on. Lots of stuff. But the stuff I'm most interested in, well, for me, it's gonna be the barn. Let's go check it out. So yeah, as I said, the house is kind of like three different extensions. Kind of get a better look at here. You kind of only see two of them. There's a small one off the back there around it. But yeah, it says, like I said, it was built in 1830, but definitely had some extensions added on. But yeah, this barn, it's a pretty cool barn. It's got a really nice stone foundation, and at some point they must have rebuilt it because there's a poured concrete slab on the stone foundation, about an 8-inch thick slab. And yeah, it used to be about 3 stories. So that's kind of the ground floor, and it had 2 more stories on top. But unfortunately, it was a dairy barn from what I can tell. But they left a lot of hay up there, unfortunately, and over the years, water saturating it just got it too heavy and it collapsed. You kind of still see some of the hay sticking out. And yeah, this has been, I really kind of want to salvage it, rebuild it, but it's hard because I'm trying to work with what's here. And yeah, I mean, old timber frame, but it's pretty much all gone for the most part. The plan right now is try and get in here as soon as the snow melts, get guys kind of pick the stuff out, get it out, and kind of we're going to reassess, see what we can salvage, see what we can save. But yeah, it's kind of tells a dairy operation. It's an old freezer or cooler of some sort. It's a compressor. And the cow stalls, you can kind of see the feeders here. But yeah, it's been interesting. It's a decent barn. It's at least about 60 feet long, and it had a double, like I said, second floor. It has kind of like a big T over there, but we'll check it out. As you can tell, this whole hallway going straight through to the other side. It's pretty long. There's another little T kind of section. It's like a kind of see the ramp went up to the second floor. But yeah, gonna try our best to, like I said, salvage what we can. It's a pretty cool piece of equipment, old school equipment up here. Let's check it out. Pretty little piece of old school equipment. It's like a hay rake or some sort, horse drawn possibly, probably. I mean, but yeah, cool. Kind of see if we can get that out of there. But yeah, kind of gives you a better look from above. Like I said, the hay. But once the snow melts, I'm gonna really try to get a better idea. You know, everyone out there has ideas. You know, we're trying to figure out if we should go metal. Just not sure, you know, what's gonna be the best, because it's not a timber frame salvageable. We'd love to reuse it again, but if it's pretty much all kind of gone, we're kind of back to the drawing board. But yeah, hopefully new time. Like I said, you start to see a lot more videos once the snow melts, which hopefully will be in the next few weeks. But yeah, pretty excited. If you guys like this stuff, let me know. I'll show more. Thank you.